Welcome to the second in a series of demos of my ChurchSuite for Kingsway Christian Fellowship. I'm going to show you today the custom links that we've got within the app. This is the home page, as you're probably familiar with now. From the menu in the top right hand corner, you can see that the four bottom links, Kingsway website, notice sheet, my ChurchSuite user guide and church prayer journal, are custom links that take you to our website or different functions of our website. The Kingsway website link there takes you to the home page. The notice sheet takes you to a section that we're going to have as password protected historical notice sheets. The password is the same as the guest Wi-Fi password. I'm not going to say it within this video. If you need it, please come and see me. And you'll see that over time there will be a list growing there of historical notice sheets should you need them. The third link is to the My ChurchSuite user guide. This gives you an idea of how to use the app if you prefer it in printed written form. And finally, the church prayer journal, which I hope you will engage with. But that takes you to an area of our website where we are going to be recording the monthly prayer meetings, what God is saying, what we're receiving in prayer, etc. And you can see that March 2019 is there. If you just tap on that link, it will ask if you want to download it, and if you download it, if you've got a PDF viewer on your phone or iPad, you should be able to see therefore the document. And we hope that you'll just take this document, read it, pray about the things that are in it, and you just engage in prayer around the things that the church has been praying about. Okay, so that's custom links. Bye for now.